everyone, welcome back to the channel Warunta. Today's video is going to be in English. My name is Ibrahim and to my right is
Alimire,
who is going to be challenging me in a shootout. The shots are going to be taken from 3 positions. The first shot is going to be taken from the yellow dot, which is worth 2 points. Second shot is going to be taken from the first bag, which is worth 4 points. And the last shot is going to be taken from the last bag, which is worth 6 points.
Okay, let's see who's going to begin. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, you shoot. Who's going to begin?
I want to start in the post.
Ooh. Yes. They call me black goalkeeper. No!
One eternity later.
At least you have 2 points now.
Yes! Yes! Don't ever challenge me, Alimire. You're too
lucky,
easy,
we were
man.
lucky.
I
Mine,
wasn't
we were
lucky.
lucky.
I won you by a big margin, but I'm going to give you another chance. Whoever hits the crossbar first wins the whole thing. Deal?
Don't do this. Don't do this. You lose.
Do
you
it.
lose. We're gonna do it. Okay. Who's going to begin? Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors. As always, I win.
Oh.
No!
Sam.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and also to comment on the comment section below who should have won this challenge.